Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C colon and hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space .. and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C colon / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Type attrib C colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space C colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.